Good morning students, welcome you all to e-learning classes of ALPHORES. Okay, in this session we are going to solve problems related to nature of the roots and common roots. Okay, now first question. The nature of the roots of x square minus 12x plus 32 is equal to 0. You know very well, the nature of the roots always depend upon discriminant. Okay, therefore as we have to find a discriminant. What is given equation? As given equation is x square minus 12x plus 32 is equal to 0. Now find delta. Delta is nothing but b square minus 4ac. What is b here? Minus 12 whole square minus 4a is 1. This is 32. This is 144 minus 128. You are getting 16. As you know very well, 16 is a perfect square. 4 square as a perfect square. As when it is a delta is a perfect square and delta must be positive. In this case roots are what? Roots are rational. Roots are rational and distinct, means not equal. Okay, this is the nature of the roots. Therefore the roots are rational and distinct, and that is for first question. Okay, now move on to as a second question, which is if a, b, c are real, the roots of a square plus b square of x square minus 2b times of c plus a of x plus b square plus c square is equal to 0 or real and equal. Okay, roots are real. Given equation is what? As given equation is a square plus b square of x square minus 2b times of c plus a of x plus b square plus c square is equal to 0. Okay, as since is given roots are real and equal, since roots are real and equal, that implies delta of 0, that is nothing but b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b here? X coefficient here, that is what? Minus 2b of c plus a whole square, that is 4b square of c plus a whole square. This is what? 4b square of, since roots are real and equal, is said 4b square of c plus a whole square minus 4 of what is a? This is a square plus b square. Okay, na? A, this is a into c is what? B square plus c square is equal to 0. Okay, if you simplify, as now this is what? 4 common, just b square of c plus a whole square minus a square plus b square of b square plus c square is equal to 0. Okay, yes, and now this, as we should multiply this b square of c square plus a square plus 2ca minus of a square b square minus of a square c square, as minus into minus. This is what? Minus of b power 4 minus of b square c square is equal to 0. Okay, c plus a whole square, c square plus a square plus 2ca minus a square b square minus a square c square minus b power 4 minus b square c square is equal to 0. Yes, once you multiply, what is this? B square c square plus b square a square plus 2ac b square minus here what? A square b square minus a square c square minus b power 4 minus b square c square is equal to 0. Now here negative b square c square, here b square c square is as cancel. Here b square a square, here also minus a square b square cancel. Now we have only 3 terms left. Implies this is equal to what? As 2acb square minus a square c square, 2acb square or 2cab square minus a square c square minus b power 4 is equal to what? 0. This is clear in the form of what? Ca minus b square whole square is equal to 0. Okay, as this is what? C square a square, bring that side as ca square b square. This is what? Plus b power 4 minus 2ac square, bring that side, you get the same answer. This implies what? B square minus ca is equal to 0. This implies b square is equal to ac. Okay, yes, in this case therefore clearly ABC or in GP. ABC or in GP. Second square is equal to first into last, as in this case ABC or in GP. Okay, or as we can solve another method also here, a square plus b square of x square minus 2b of c plus a of x plus b square plus c square is equal to 0. Once you expand this, a square as x square, here what? B square x square minus 2bc times of x minus 2ab times of x plus b square plus c square is equal to what? 0. Okay, here a square x square, here minus 2ab times of x plus b square, this is one bracket, and this is what? B square x square minus 2bc times of x plus c square is equal to 0. Now clear it is what? As it is in the form of as ax minus b whole square. Okay, now it is in the form of as bx minus c whole square is equal to 0. Yes, now left side it is a perfect square, it is a perfect square, but answer is 0, as when it is possible clearly ax minus b is equal to 0 and bx minus c is equal to 0, then only it is equal into 0, as that implies ax is equal to b and bx is equal to c, as from this what is x? B by a, and what is x here? C by b. Therefore both are equal to x. B by a is equal to what? C by b. That implies what? B square is equal to AC. Therefore ABC are in GP. Second square is equal to first into last. Therefore ABC are in GP. Students, move on to next question, which is third. If the roots of the equations are equal, then condition. As condition is or conditions are. If the roots of the equation, what is given equation? As given equation is a square minus bc times of x square as plus 2 times of b square minus ca of x plus c square minus ab is equal to 0. Since roots are equal, since roots are equal, as that implies delta is equal to 0, b square, delta in the sense b square minus 4ac. B square means what? 4 times of b square minus ca whole square minus 4a. A is what? A square minus bc into c is c square minus ab is equal to 0. Now here 4 take out, as 4 is common, of 4 times of, as this is b power 4 plus c square a square minus 2ab square c. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus a square into c square, a square c square, minus into minus plus a square into ab, a cube b, minus into minus plus bc into c square, bc cube. As now this minus into minus plus, again here minus of bc and ab, that is ab square c is equal to 0. A b square c is equal to 0 of this 4. Now 4 send that side, 0 by something is 0. Here we have b power 4 plus what? C square a square, as here what? C square a square, both c square a square cancelled, as now this is what? Minus 2ab square c minus ab square c minus 3ab square c plus what? A cube b plus bc cube is equal to what? 0. Okay, in this we have, in every term b is common, b take out common, b cube minus 3abc plus a cube plus c cube is equal to 0. Here product of two terms equal to 0, either b is 0 or as b cube minus 3abc plus a cube plus c cube is equal to 0. Therefore b is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now it is a condition when the given equation has equal roots. Move on to next question, which is a fourth question. Is given ABC or in AP. Means what? Given ABC or in AP. In the sense 2 into second term, that is 2b is equal to a plus c. Yes, he gave this condition, 2b is equal to a plus c. Then the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0 are. Means we have to find the nature of the quadratic equation ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0. And quadratic equation as ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0. Now find delta. As delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b here? 2b. b square minus 4ac. 2b is nothing but 4b square minus 4ac. But we have already 2b is equal to what? A plus c, as this is clearly a plus c whole square minus 4ac. Once you expand, a square plus c square plus 2ac minus 4ac. Yes, what we can write? This is a square plus c square minus 2ac. This is what? A minus c whole square or c minus a whole square. This is very clear, greater than or equal to 0. In this case delta is greater than or equal to 0. In this case what we have to say? As if a is equal to c, your answer is 0. If a not equal to c, delta is always greater than 0. As in this case what we have to say? Definitely roots are only real. Therefore roots are real. We cannot say roots are real and distinct, or we cannot say roots are real and equal, as we don't know whether a equal to c or not. That's why we have to say only roots are real. Sometimes there's he will give like this. This is the first answer. Roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Roots are real and equal. Real and equal. As here real, as here imaginary. Imaginary. As what is our answer? Our answer is only as real, because real and distinct we cannot say. If a not equal to c, we have to say real and distinct. If a equal to c, we have to say real and equal, but we don't know as about a and c. Therefore our answer is only real. As definitely we have to say it is real. Students, I move to next question. If the roots of x minus a, as fifth question, as given equation is x minus a into x minus b plus x minus b into x minus c, as plus x minus c into x minus a is equal to 0. Then as then which of the following is not true? Means this equation has equal roots. As this equation has equal roots, then which of the following is not true? You don't know answers, so definitely I will give you answers. Okay, as the given equation as is equal roots. What is the meaning of equal roots? So delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0. First we have to simplify. It is not in the form of a standard quadratic equation. As multiply x into x, x square, x into x, x square, x into x, x square. How many times? 3 times of x square. Yes, x into minus b, as x into minus a, that is nothing but what? A plus b times of x, a into b, this is ab. Now here what? Minus b plus c as times of x plus bc. Here what? Minus c plus a times of x plus what? ca is equal to 0. Okay, yes. This implies 3x square minus a plus b of x minus b plus c of x minus c plus a of x minus 2 times of a plus b plus c of x plus ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. Now it is our quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, it has what clearly equal roots. Since given equation has equal roots, as that implies b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is delta? Is equal to 0. What is delta? B square 4 times of as a plus b plus c whole square minus 4 times of this is what 3 times of c is what ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. Okay, as 4 cancels and that side. Once you expand, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca minus this is what 3 times of ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. Okay, yes, this implies a square plus b square plus c square 2ab, this is what minus 3ab, we are getting minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to 0. Okay, we got finally a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to 0. Here we have to manipulate multiply and divide with 2, as what we are getting 1 by 2 times of 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca is equal to 0. To send that side, as here 2a square, as I will write a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square is equal to 0. Once you expand here a square, we are getting 2a square, b square, 2b square, c square, 2c square minus 2ab minus 2b, 2bc minus 2ca is equal to 0. But left side, as every term is a 4 factor square, but answer is what? 0. As 4 factor square plus 4 factor square plus 4 factor square, your answer is 0. Definitely these three are going to 0. As a minus b is equal to 0, b minus c is equal to 0 and c minus a is equal to 0. Therefore very clear, a is equal to b is equal to c. A is equal to B is equal to C. Now this is the as condition for this equation has equal roots. Okay, and one more as we have to say here a equal to b equal to c, and we got finally a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to 0, and as a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to 0. Now as this equation can be written as in the form of a plus b omega plus c omega square into as a plus b omega plus c omega square into a plus b omega square plus c omega s is equal to 0, we can write. Okay, yes, in this case what we can say, a plus b omega plus c omega square also 0, and what a plus b omega square plus c omega is also 0. If you multiply, definitely you get this beta, a into a square, ab omega square as and ab omega square. Here what as ab omega, as omega square plus omega is what minus 1, minus ab you get. Next one what, a into c, as this is what ac omega. Here what as this is AC omega square. Here also we have to get minus AC. Now this C omega square into C omega, C into C, C square omega into omega, omega square into omega, omega cube. Therefore we can write A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus A is equal to 0 as nothing but A equal to B equal to C, and A plus B omega plus C omega square equal to 0, and A plus B omega square plus C omega is equal to 0. Yes, now the question is what, which of the following is not true. Okay, we'll give like this. Yes, these are 4 options. Now first option, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. This is blunder. No, never get. Second, a equal to b equal to c. Yes, exactly. Yes, a plus b omega plus c omega square 0, or a plus b omega square plus c omega 0. Now these two also correct. Okay, no? Yes, now this is the question. This equation has equal roots. We got 3 conditions. One is what? A equal to b equal to c. Second is what? A plus b omega plus c omega square equal to 0, or a plus b omega square plus c omega is equal to 0. As students, move on to next question. 6th, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and bx square plus cx plus a is equal to 0 have a common root, and a is not equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube by ABC value. Now these two equations have a common root. You know very well, two quadratic equations have a common root. What is our condition? C1a2 minus C2a1 whole square is equal to a1b2 minus a2b1 into b1c2 minus b2c1. Now no need to use that condition, as okay, we will solve this question without using that condition. As these two quadratic equations have a common root, as let alpha be a common root. Let alpha be as a common root, as therefore a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. This is the first equation, and as b alpha square plus c alpha plus a is equal to 0. Now this is the second equation. As you have to observe very clean asly. Now a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Here b alpha square plus c alpha plus a is equal to 0. Therefore very clear, alpha is equal to 1 is a root. As if you substitute alpha is equal to 1, a plus b plus c is equal to 0, b plus c plus a is equal to 0. Therefore alpha is equal to 1 is a root. Alpha is equal to 1 is a root. From 1 what we are getting? From 1, as a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now alpha is 1, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Okay, as we got one condition, a plus b plus c is equal to 0, but we have to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube by ABC. Send the c that side. A plus b is equal to minus c, cubing on both sides. A plus b whole cube is equal to minus c whole cube. Once you expand, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times of a plus b is equal to what? Minus c cube. This is what a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times, so what is a plus b actually? Minus c is equal to what? Minus c cube. Now this is a cube plus b cube minus 3abc is equal to minus c cube. Minus c cube. So as bring into c cube left hand side, this is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to what? 3abc. As divide with abc, as a cube plus b cube plus c cube by abc is equal to what? 3. Now as our answer is what? Equivalent to 3. As let alpha be a common root, alpha satisfies both as quadratic equations. From this, as we have to observe very clearly, now alpha is equal to 1 is a root. Okay, you keep alpha is equal to 1 in equation 1 or equation 2, as we are getting same value, what? A plus b plus c is equal to 0. From this we got this condition, the value of this expression is equal to what? 3. Move on to next question, as which is 7th one. The equations have a common root. If a, b, c are natural numbers, then the least value of a plus b plus c. Now given equations are x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, and another is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, here what the coefficients of this ABC are unknown. Here we have as known values. A is 1, here x coefficient, b is 3, here c is what? 5. Now we have to find the nature of this equation. What is nature? Yes, we have to find delta. Delta is b square minus 4ac. What is b? 3 square 9 minus 4 into 1 into 5. Clearly this is what? 9 minus 20, as this is minus 11 less than 0. Yes, in this case we have to say very clear, whenever delta less than 0, roots are what? Roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. As you know, roots are imaginary and conjugate to each other. Conjugate to each other. Yes, that is meaning is what? If alpha plus I beta one root, automatically other root is what? Alpha minus I beta. If alpha minus I beta is one root, other root is what? Alpha plus I beta. But he said these two equations have a common root. These two equations have a common root. Therefore, both the roots are what? Both the roots are same. Both the roots are same, because if alpha plus I beta common, automatically other is what? Alpha minus I beta. If alpha minus I beta is common, then other root is what? Alpha plus I beta. Means both the roots are what? Same. Whenever as these two quadratic equations have same root, I said compare their coefficients. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to what? C1 by C2. Therefore, A by 1 is equal to what? B by 3 is equal to what? C by 5. As consider this is say as lambda. Therefore, A is equal to what? Lambda, B is equal to 3 lambda, C is equal to 5 lambda. But he is asking least value of ABC, as what we got A plus least value of A plus B plus C. Here we got 9 lambda. Therefore, least here ABC are what? Natural numbers. As therefore, the least value of A plus B plus C is equal to what? 9. The least value, because ABC are natural numbers. This is the least value of ABC. On to next question, which is the 8th question. If the equations have a common root, here also same, the given as equations are x3x square plus 3x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0, and next one is what? Next one is ax square plus 2bx plus 3c is equal to 0. Okay, now these two quadratic equations have a common root. As one of the quadratic equation unknown as quantities, here we have known quantities. Now find delta for this. Delta is what? B square minus 4ac. What is B? 8 means this is what? 64 minus 4 into 3 into 15. This is very clear. 64, this is 12 into 15. Clearly it is what? Less than 0. Whenever delta is less than 0, clearly what? Roots are imaginary. As and conjugate to each other. Conjugate to each other means if alpha minus I beta is root, other root is alpha plus I beta. If alpha as plus I beta is root, other root is alpha minus I beta. Therefore, both equations have same roots. In the sense what? Just we have to compare their coefficients. A by 3 is equal to what? 2b by 8 is equal to what? 3c by 15. This implies A by 3 is equal to B by 4 is equal to C by 5. You say as this is what? Lambda. Therefore, what is A? A is equal to 3 lambda, B is equal to 4 lambda, C is equal to what? 5 lambda. So now your ABC are what? Lengths of the sides of triangle ABC. It is very clear. C square is equal to A square plus B square, because 25 lambda square is equal to 9 lambda square plus 16 lambda square. C square is equal to A square plus B square. Here ABC are lengths of the triangles. Therefore, from this we can write angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle C is equal to what? 90 degrees. Now this is angle C, this is A, this is B. As C opposite small c, B opposite small b, A opposite small a. Therefore, what? C square is equal to A square plus B square. Angle C is equal to 90. Whenever angle C 90, as automatically some of other two angles also what? 90. other as two angles also 90. Therefore angle C is equal to 90. That implies what? A plus B is also 90 degrees. In triangle ABC, sum of the angles is equal into 180. Now we have to find sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square C value. What is sine square A plus sine square B plus what? Sine square C is equal to, what is sine square A? We don't know. Sine square A plus what is sine square B? Yes, what is B? 90 minus A. 90 minus A plus what is sine square C? C is exactly, we got 90. Now what is this sine square A? What is sine 90 minus theta cos square A plus sine 90 is what? 1. Therefore this answer you know very well, it is our identity, as your answer is very clear too. Okay, na? Sine square A plus sine square B plus sine square is equal to 2. Yes. Students, I move on to next question, which is 9th. As x minus 2 is a common factor of the expressions x square plus ax plus b and x square plus cx plus d, then b minus d by a minus c we have to find. What is the meaning of x minus 2 is a common factor? As since x minus 2 is a common factor of both the expressions x square plus ax plus b and x square plus cx plus d. Now x minus 2 is a common factor of these two, is nothing but what? X is equal to is a common root for these two equations. Therefore x is equal to 2 is as a common root of x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0 and x square s plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Okay, as therefore as x is equal to 2 is a common root, means we have to substitute wherever x is there, as 2 we have to substitute. Therefore this is what? 2 square 4 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0 and it is also 4 plus 2c plus d is equal to 0. Now subtract these two, as this is equation 1, as this is what? Equation 2, as 1 minus 2 what we are getting, this implies 4 plus 2a plus b minus 2 means minus 4 minus 2c minus d is equal to 0. 4 cancel. Here 2 times of what? 2 times of a minus c. We have to find b minus d by a minus c value. Now 2 times of this is what? A minus c, as is equal to what? This is bring that side, it will become d minus b. But we have to find b minus d, just you take common 2 of a minus c is equal to what? Minus we have to take common, what is this? B minus d. Therefore b minus d by what? A minus c is equal to b minus d by a minus c is equal to minus 2. Or sometimes they will ask b minus d by c minus a, or as what is this? B minus d by c minus a. Definitely we are getting as 2, but as I gave b minus d by a minus c, answer is what? Minus 2. Or if you take here minus common, b minus d by minus of c minus a, that's why that minus will cancel. B minus d by c minus a is equal to 2. Now as since 2x minus 2 is a common factor for these two equations, means x is equal to 2 is a root of these two equations, just you keep in place of x2. Now equate or subtract these two, as we are getting b minus d as by a minus c, answer is minus 2, or b minus d by c minus a is equal to 2.